Hello and welcome back to another session, types of data mart. So far we learned about what is data mart and why do we need data mart. Now we're going to learn about different types of data mart. All right, so mainly there are three different types of data mart. One is dependent data mart, independent and hybrid data mart. So let's learn what is dependent data mart. So as you can see here in the chapter, right, in the picture, so a dependent data mart allows you to unite your organization's data into one data warehouse. This gives you the usual advantages of the centralized data warehouse system. As you can see here in this picture, right, so all the operational data is fed into enterprise data warehouse system, and from there the dependent data of departmental level data being fed into individual data marts. As you can see here, right, this is the operational data sources and this is the enterprise data warehouse and dependent departmental data warehouse. So dependent data marts can be built into two different ways. Either when a user can access both the data mart and the data warehouse depending on the need, or where access is limited only to the data mart. The second approach is not optimal as it produces sometimes referred as a data junkyard. In the data junkyard, all the data begins with a common source, but they are scrapped and mostly junked. Alright, so let's learn the next type of data mart, independent data mart. Independent data mart is created without the use of central data warehouse. This could be desirable for smaller groups within an organization. As you can see in this picture, the dependent data marts are accessing the data from the individual operational sources. An independent data mart has neither a relationship with the enterprise data warehouse nor with any other data mart. In independent data mart, the data is input separately and its analysis are also performed anonymously or autonomously. As you can see here in the picture, right, the operational sources, you are creating the data mart directly here and you're taking some of the data from this source, operational source, and from this source, and you're populating here. And this way you're creating the data warehouse directly accessing data from the operational sources. All right, so let's learn the third type of data mart, hybrid. This type of data marts can take data from data warehouse or operational systems. This basically allows you to combine input from sources other than just data warehouse. This could be useful for many situations, again, so especially when you need an ad hoc integration, such as after a new group or the product is added to the organization. So you don't have to change anything in the data warehouse, so you want to implement this as soon as possible, then you would have independent data mart. So it is best suited for multiple database environments and fast implementation turnaround for any organization, and it also requires the least data cleansing effort. So the hybrid data mart also supports large storage structures, and it is best suited for flexible for smaller data centric applications. So this is all about the different types of data marts, like independent and hybrid data mart. So it's a simple concept, but it's very powerful, and because the data mart plays a very integral the part of data warehouse. I hope you enjoyed this session. I will see you in the next chapter. Thank you.